Good morning. So it is Tuesday morning and I'm about to get ready to make some protein. I'm about to get ready to make some protein pancakes for the first time. So I'm going to start with blending the oats first. So I'm going to use a half a cup because I don't want to make too many. So I'm going to use a half a cup of oats. That's about a half a cup. So let me go ahead and blend these first. So that's making like the powder. We have that all shaken up and blended. So I said powder, I meant to say flour. So that's our flour base, which is gonna be the oats. So now I'm gonna add milk, banana, and protein. So I'm actually, you can use any milk you would like, but it's normally people use almond milk, but I'm going to use this high protein milk. Use a half a cup of milk. So add that to my blender. Then I have a banana. So I'm going to add 1 full banana. So I'm just gonna peel it and scoop. So we're gonna add some cinnamon, just a few of vanilla to add. Ooh, I went there. And I will be adding blueberries. It seems like it's so much. Hopefully it blends good because it's not that much liquid. Okay. So this is everything. So let's get this all blended. It's all blended. I have my blueberries here. I'm gonna be using salted butter. Blueberries. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip this. Oops. Didn't flip the bed, huh? Okay. Let's try to get that blueberry up underneath. Listen, just know we are not here for the aesthetics. We struggle in real life over here. Nothing's perfect, okay? All right, y'all, so the pancakes are all done. So I'm just gonna be adding some orange slices to the breakfast. We're gonna be adding some strawberries. So this strawberry is huge. So I'll just cut this one up. This strawberry is huge. I may have should have used a smaller one, but it's okay. It's gonna get ate. Listen, it is going to get ate regardless. It's the 360 golden maple syrup from Whole Foods. So I'm just gonna drizzle. Yeah, this is it. Let me do a taste test with y'all. So let's see how this is tasting. So this is 2. It's still pretty hot. It's hot, y'all. So it is pretty good. You can definitely taste that it's oats in here. But it's good. It's kind of gooey. I don't know if maybe I should have let them cook a little longer, but I do taste a little gooiness, but that's okay. Or maybe it's just the consistency from what was used, and I didn't use any baking powder. That could be a reason why it could be that possibly could be a reason why it could be gooey. But overall, it's really good. Definitely something I will make again. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up so that I can get ready for work. So thank you guys for watching. This is a blueberry pancake, a protein blueberry pancake recipe. I'm trying to get a lot of protein in these days. I'm trying to get at least 183 grams. I have not been able to reach 183 grams. I think I may want to take it down to like 180, but I mean, I haven't even reached, I don't think I went over 120 grams. So I'm really trying my best to get a lot of protein in. This isn't as much protein as it should have been, because I could have just added like some bacon or something to make it a little protein, but this is okay for today. I normally work out in the morning, but I was pretty tired this morning because I was up all night preparing some things, so I went to sleep pretty late. But I will be working out after work, so I'm gonna go ahead and just eat as much as I can so that I can get prepared for my workout, because I will be doing a heavy leg day. So yeah, again, thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching me prepare these banana blueberry protein pancakes, and see you guys on the next one. Bye.